Hello everyone and welcome back to Lecture 3. I hope you are all getting along well in the tutorials and are ready to take it to the next step in our lecture. So today we want to talk about regularization, and one specific case of regularization is the lasso. So regularization is very important, and we will see it first as a kind of extension to linear regression, but it has also applications really in all areas of machine learning, especially the most modern techniques such as deep neural networks, which are highly complex models which have the tendency to overfit. So for those models, it is much more important to have regularization in the picture. So we start off, before going into regularization, by just talking a little bit about subset selection. So subset selection is just a way of finding out which predictors in a regression problem, say linear regression, are important and which are not important. Now, the way how it is done in subset selection is a very naive way, and is one which becomes very computationally infeasible if the number of predictors grows, and that naturally leads us to regularization, which is a much better way, and a way which is much more suitable for high-dimensional data to be used there. And we actually see that for some cases in high-dimensional statistics where I have more predictors and observations, actually regularization is not just an optional feature to make the model better behaved, but is actually even necessary just for the linear regression to be well defined in this case. So let's get started with the lecture.